Hi, I'm William Bisacchi from the blogbisacchi.it. Today, I want to show you how to solve a common issue that can occur with almost every window. This issue involves windows that both tilt and swing open. When the window is in such a position, it becomes impossible to close it. This is because the handle is blocked and can no longer be placed horizontally. If you don't know how to handle it, it can be a tough problem. However, the solution is relatively simple. The handle can't be turned due to a mechanism that's prone to false operation. In such cases, we need to disable this mechanism. So, what do we do? Firstly, on the hinge side, make sure it's attached and not tilting. Then, suppress the false operation and bring the handle back to its horizontal position. This procedure prevents the handle from becoming offset. This situation can occur for various reasons such as a wrong movement or accidentally getting caught inside. If you have PVC, aluminum, or wooden frames, you'll likely find this mechanism under the handle's axis. To restore handle operation, press in line with the hardware. Then you should be able to turn the handle. If you have an aluminum frame, the regulating button is often located at the top of the window. It could also happen that the handle is always closed, and it takes longer to close the window. To fix it, the procedure is the same. Press the false operation button, then simultaneously turn the handle to its horizontal position with the window open. With an aluminum frame, the tab you need to press is at the top. Press and hold it as the frame moves into position. If the button is not being pressed, the handle will be blocked. In such a case, hold the button down and simultaneously turn the handle. Now, your window should be functional again.